The month of August is a big month for Jordan Brand, and even though they're not giving us a whole bunch of releases as far as retros go, what they are dropping in the month of August is straight fire. And one of the sneakers that I think is going to cause us the most amount of problems is the Air Jordan 4 Lightning. And your boy got them right here. So in today's video, what we're going to do is I'm going to do a full detail review on these things, then you know your boy's going to hit you with it on feet. And we start right now. I'd like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you guys so much for stopping through and showing support for your boy. I appreciate you guys. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is James and I make content on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And you know what I need you guys to do, man. I need you to hit that like button for your boy. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I drop one of these videos and you don't miss anything. Alright guys, so let's get right into it. Now, these Air Jordan 4 Lightnings are being released right now on August 28th. And the first thing that stands out to me is the box. The presentation of this is pretty cool because normally on Air Jordan 4s they just give you the black lid with the red Jumpman and then it says Flight. But in this case you're getting something special. You're going to get a yellow lid with a black Jumpman. And then you're going to get that cement bottom right there. And whenever Jordan Brand does something special for a special release, you know what I mean? Like, that's pretty cool. These sneakers haven't come out for 14 or 15 years. It's been a long time since these have retroed. So the official size tag on these sneakers read Air Jordan 4 Retro, Tour Yellow, Dark Blue, Gray, and this is a personal pair size 8. And we'll do an up close look right there so you can get a look at the size tag. Alright guys, so if you watch my unboxing video, you know that I got these from Jay the Sneaker Guy. And you can follow him on Instagram at JTSGCloset. And if you're going to send him any DMs about any sneakers that he's selling, keep in mind that sneakers are expensive. Most of you guys know that. And early sneakers are even more expensive, so make sure that you're checking StockX and the resale market and stuff like that before you inquire about any sneakers. So just keep that in mind. So the paper that you're going to get here is you're going to get that cement paper, that white and gray. And let's take our first up close look at the Air Jordan 4 Lightning. BAM! So here's a shot of what the inside of the box looks like. So under the tissue paper, you're going to have those yellow hits that go around the entire bottom of the box. And then on the lid itself, you're going to get that dark gray color. Alright guys, so here we have it right here, the Air Jordan 4 Lightning. An early look, an early review. Now, I'm a big fan of the Air Jordan 4 silhouette, so whenever I saw that these were dropping, I knew that this was a must cop. These haven't retroed for like 14 or 15 years. And these are dropping August 28th. I believe that the retail price tag is going to be $220. And these are going to be a problem. These are going to sell out really, really quick. There's a lot of hype surrounding this sneaker right now, and for good reason. In my opinion, it's probably going to be Jordan 4 of the year. For me personally, it's either going to be that or the University Blue Jordan 4s that I haven't gotten yet. But a lot of people will say like the Unions or the Taupe Haze and stuff like that. But we'll see, guys. Comment down below and let me know what you think about, you know, what is the best Air Jordan 4 that we have seen so far in 2021. But make no mistake about it, this sneaker right here, very clean, very dope in hand, fire in my opinion. You will get a mostly nubuck material that surrounds the entire body of the sneaker, from the top to the middle, around the whole entire front toe box, the inner part, the back. Very, very nice material, guys. And then you will get like mostly some gray hits, like right here is gray, gray down here that wraps around the entire front toe box, gray on the tongue, gray behind the tongue. Now even on the back of the sneaker you got the Jordan Jumpman. Now at first glance it appears to be black, but it's actually like a dark blue color. But I mean, overall the colors blend on the sneaker very, very well. If you have like any kind of clothing that has, you know, black and dark gray, black and yellow, stuff like that, it's gonna match really, really well. However, this is a very, very bright yellow. It's not like a university gold color that we see a lot of Jordan sneakers released in. So let me grab this Jordan 12 right here so I can compare for you guys. So if you look at this sneaker right here, this is a university gold 12, and then you're gonna get the Jordan 4 Lightning. And as you can see, I mean, it's nowhere near the same color. So for all those people that are trying to rock like Pittsburgh stuff with this, You know what I mean? Like, it's not really gonna match all that great. Although you could probably get away with it, but you know, the color scheme right here, totally different. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you more of an up close look at this sneaker. We'll talk about the materials and stuff like that, because I know that that's what you really want to see. Now, as you can tell, the yellow on this sneaker really pops. Now, you will get this gray wing right here with the black eye stay at the top and down there at the bottom. You're going to get that black netting right there, black netting right there. You do get yellow laces on this sneaker. Now, no other laces come with it or anything like that. And just something to note, the shade of yellow on the laces is a little bit different from the rest of the yellow on the sneaker. You can't really tell or anything like that, but just something to note. And then right here on the tongue, you're going to get a yellow tongue. And then at the top, you're going to get that gray patch with the Jordan Jumpman. When you come down to the midsole, you will get a predominantly white midsole, but then it will turn into that dark gray right there. And on the outsole, it's going to be a mostly gray outsole with the 2 white pods with the Jordan Jumpman in yellow. And now here's a shot of the back of the sneaker, and as you can tell right there, you do get the Jordan Jumpman, but the Jordan Jumpman is in this dark blue color. From a distance, it does appear to be black. Now inside of the sneaker, you will get a yellow sock liner with a white insole with the Jordan Jumpman in black. And as you can tell by the back of the tongue, you will get the Air Jordan lettering that's always done upside down in Air Jordan 4s. So far, I really like this sneaker a whole lot. Jordan Brand did their thing with this sneaker right here. The materials on this sneaker are very nice. I'm actually really impressed by how nice the materials on this sneaker really is. I knew it was going to be dope when I got it, but I mean, Jordan Brand did their thing. But now that I did the review, let me go ahead and show you what they look like on feet, and then I'll come back to give you my final thoughts on the Air Jordan 4 Lightning. Now when it comes to the Air Jordan 4 Lightning, in my opinion, this is a must-cop sneaker. And if you're even thinking about picking this sneaker up, I wouldn't sleep at all, because the hype around this sneaker right now is pretty huge. It's one of the most anticipated releases of August, maybe the entire year. It's going to sell out. It's going to be really hard to get, guys. Definitely got to put your footwork in if you want to pick this up. In my opinion, this is double up worthy. I'll be trying to cop another pair when they come out on August 28th. Hopefully I'm able to cop it for retail. But, you know, guys, do not sleep on this sneaker. It's going to be a problem. When it comes to sizing, definitely go true to size. So whatever size you normally wear in an Air Jordan 4, that's the size that you're going to want to pick up here. I always pick up a size 8. Fits me perfectly. I have no complaints. Definitely go true to size. But I want to know what you think. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? Is this dope? Or are these trash? Comment down below and let me know if you're going to be going after them on August 28th. I'd like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching this video. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Before you guys bounce out, if you haven't already done so, hit that like button for your boy. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, stick around and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. And until next video, peace.